Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Paneer Tikka or barbecue paneer. It's very simple, delicious and easy to make. In a bowl, I will take 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of coriander or cilantro, half teaspoon of dry roasted and crushed cumin and coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chilies. I'm gonna mix everything together nicely. And at the end I will add juice from 1 lime. I'm gonna squeeze all the juice from the lemon, mix everything together and set that aside. Here I have a block of paneer, red, green and yellow bell pepper, some cauliflower and half onion. I'm going to chop them all and see you on the other side of the video. Here you can see I chopped all the vegetables as close to the size as possible, and I wanted it to be colorful, so I picked all the colorful vegetables. If you want, you can add or replace any vegetables you want. Now I'm going to take my paneer first in the mixture we made earlier. I'm going to add all the paneer in it. Coat the paneer first in the mixture and then add all the other vegetables I just cut earlier. I'm gonna add them in the mixture and mix them nicely until everything is well coated. Now cover it and set it aside for an hour or 2. After 2 hours, I will uncover it and take a pre-soaked bamboo skewer. I soaked it for 30 minutes in the water. I'm going to take that and then thread through all the vegetables. You can thread it the way you want to. I took 2 pieces of vegetables and a piece of paneer and then I repeated the process. As you can see, they all look so gorgeous. I'm gonna prepare my grill and put them on the grill for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are fully cooked. Once everything is nice and golden and done, I'm gonna take it out in a plate on a foil paper so it stays warm. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.